This is the elevator at the Media and Research Center, UCSC. This video is in 30 FPS because the cab is too dark. The buzzer sounds like it's dying. Yeah, I haven't filmed this thing in a while, but pretty basic ThyssenKrupp elevator. This one's a pretty interesting install. Stainless steel cab. These fixtures were replaced. They were originally the same as the door close buttons. We'll do them overnight. Hands are a bit full. You know, I'm not sure if this is a vertical express, but I don't think it is. And the certificate is all the way up there. I can't quite zoom into it. Okay. Hopefully that was discernible. Let's watch the light go out. The 3 button is like slightly lit, if you can see. Now it just keeps blinking.